everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to make a fool of myself. AKA, I'm going to do my makeup with no mirror and also with my non-dominant, aka left hand. I've already put down the viewfinder, so I literally have nowhere to look besides the lens. And I've decided this is a video, let's make it more interesting. I'm not gonna do an everyday look, I'm gonna do a nighttime smoky eye. I can't even do smoky eyes when I'm using my correct hand and a mirror. I don't even know, I'm gonna put too much on. I can tell already. A lot of my makeup already has mirrors on it, so I'm gonna try very, very hard not to look into them. Can't forget those ears. I figured a good strategy was just overblend, because it can't hurt. I have a few pimples right now, and I just realized that I'm going to have to find them and put concealer on them without a mirror. Let's see. It's in this general area. Don't feel like waiting to find it. My setting powder has a mirror on it, so I'm just gonna ignore it completely, like my responsibilities. Brows. This is gonna be good. Ooh, that's wrong and I know it. How do I know when to stop? Good, good. I think the Nubian 2 by Juvia's? By the way, I know, I'm aware. Don't say anything. I'm going to do my makeup with no mirror and also with my non-dominant, aka left hand. It took me this long to realize that I've been doing my makeup in my right hand. I don't know when to stop with the lid color. That's good. I'm probably gonna go blind doing this. Just gotta be real confident. Oh no. Let's do a big bold line. Oh.
I am disgusted.
Pray for me. Oh, I'm so scared. Let's contour. Let's just go for it. That's probably fine. Let's just clown it up. Let's go. Let's go full 80s blush. We're going for glamour here. We're doing it. We're doing bold lip. Makeup is much more relaxing when you don't have to look at yourself. Now, what would this be if I didn't set it with setting spray? Time for the big reveal. It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
I was expecting an absolute war zone on my face, and it's just more like a battle, not the full war. The lips would have been just fine. Probably better than I usually make them if it wasn't for this. Eyebrows? This one? Okay, it's really bad. Not anything like I even imagined it would be. I think I'm gonna give myself a 5. 5 out of 10. And that's pretty good. I think I did really well with this. I know exactly what I'm doing with or without a mirror. If I can tell you a secret, I think it looks better this way.